Hi everybody, I'm Ski with Pete. Today I'm taking a look at the Benuo outdoor smart outlet. Here it is for you to see. This smart outlet is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, but it's a Wi-Fi plug. So
I don't know that one.
I think you probably do, Alexa. This is compatible with the two main systems. No hub required, so it's a Wi-Fi smart plug. This one is an outdoor one, so it's waterproof. It does work via remote voice control. It says it has a schedule timer and an energy monitor and overload protection, so we'll see how that all works. Hopefully it uses one of the more commonly found apps. You can see some of the specs on the back here. A working voltage is 90 to 250, so this would work in multiple regions. The max current is 15 amps. Oh, the rated voltage is for 125. So, compatibility with the smartphone app, either Android or iOS. Today I'm going to be using iOS to set this up, but let's take a look inside. On the outside of the instructions is the if this then that logo, which is pretty cool. If this then that means there's lots of compatibility. This one says that it's compatible with the Smart Life app. The Smart Life app is really good because that's also compatible with the Tuya app, and the Tuya app and Smart Life apps both work with if this and that, as the outside of the instruction says, which is great because most of my home network works with those systems, including the Samsung SmartThings. The reason that for a long time Samsung SmartThings was so much better to get than everything else is it worked with routines, and you could work with timers and stuff. You didn't need to set everything in individual apps. You could just kind of set it once and forget it. But now that all of these Wi-Fi plugs are starting to work with that system, it's really making it's making it pretty awesome actually to build your network around the Samsung SmartThings. Because you can set up awesome triggers and all sorts of cool stuff. So here's the Benuo logo. This is the smart plug. You can see it's kind of a dangler. This doesn't just sit in the switch or anything. It kind of dangles out. But just before I get to that, you can see here there's like a waterproof door that you open. Like that. And that's where the plug is going to fit in. So let's go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to do it in the Smart Life app as it recommends, but eventually I'm going to redo it into the Tuya Smart Life Plus. This is an electrical outlet. Confirm that it's blinking rapidly. It is. It just turned on and off, I assume is what it's meant to do. There, it's called Outdoor Outlet. I'm going to keep it like that. That is working. Okay, so next thing is to say, Alexa, discover new devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app. I found one new plug called Outdoor Outlet. Control it. Say, off outdoor outlet.
Alexa, turn on outdoor outlet.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off outdoor outlet.
Okay.
Well, that's it. I mean, it's super compatible. It works with everything. It's the outdoor version of some of the other indoor plugs that I've been playing with. It seems pretty cool, pretty solid and hefty, probably more solid and more hefty than I really need, but it's pretty cool overall. Let's just take a quick look and see if there's any working temperatures. That's what I was going to say. Because it's for outdoors, this works from minus 20 to 45 degrees Celsius, or minus 4 to 113 Fahrenheit. So that's a pretty good range. It also says that it's IP44 waterproof, which means that it can can it be submerged? I don't know. You need to look up IP44 and exactly what that means to really discover that. But I wouldn't submerge this. But what I would say is it'll probably handle a light bit of rain if it's properly connected and the flow goes off it in the right way. So again, pretty cool. Just for full disclosure, Benuo did send this to me for purposes of review, but it is not a paid review. The opinions expressed are entirely my own. Thanks again for tuning in today, guys. Don't forget to press like, don't forget to press subscribe, and come back again very soon. This and everything else you can see on my desk are in the About section below, so you can go check the video description and find links to this and everything else. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to go into the comment section below. It works great. Thanks again for tuning in today, guys.